Well. Rosaline. Howdy. What is that? What did you type? What is this? What is that by your name? Well, you always into something. How do I do well? How do you do? How goes it? What was that by your name? That was interesting. No. It's next to the hand. It's probably some kind of something in the chat. Messed up. Let me see if I can I make this? That's the control panel, bruh. How do I increase the size of the chat? Oh, that's how you do a poll. Look at that. Poll Q&A. Look at this. Let me see. Top fan. Yeah, I don't see anything next to the hand. Okay, so it's not for you to see then. It's only for me. Surprise. All right. Pardon. Let's get to it. Welcome in. Now my chat is working correctly for some reason. Wasn't working correctly prior. Very annoying. Oh boy. Welcome in. Oh, how was your weekends? Mine were. My weekend was so busy, I had to take Monday off. Wasn't mad at that, but had to be done. Couldn't be helped. That's what they say. Had to be done. So we went on ahead. We took Monday. Had to regroup, Had some scrumptious treats. You little big back. See, we're not even supposed to be doing that here. Scrumptious treats. Okay. Stuff that you made. What is Streamerbot? No. Oh, okay. So somebody did it for you. Yes. Bye. All right. Scrumptious treats. I had a cheesecake, but it didn't necessarily agree with me. We went to the balloon festival. Oh, I'm sorry. The balloon museum is what they call it. What up, Books? What's going on? Hello. Carrot cake cookie. You and this carrot cake. Yuck. Yucky. We went to the balloon. They called it the balloon museum, but really it was like a balloon, like an art exhibit. And it was cool. Could have been better. No. Like balloon art. Like they did different things that involved balloons. When have I mentioned carrot cake? Listen, I don't have dates and times, man. Don't do that. I don't have dates and times. I just know you've mentioned it. Okay. At some point we do have to work on some merch stuff, but I guess we got more work to do before then. You don't do that. Don't come in here with this foolishness now. Don't you have someplace, something else? You normally just say hi and bye. Gone now. Anyway, did I listen to the track? I listened to multiple tracks. I listened to pages of tracks. Didn't think I would, huh? Yep. Multiple pages. I was minding my business, contributing to the convo. Whatever. Whatever. If you'd like to know which ones I liked specifically, let me see. Allow me to search. I believe was this it? No, this wasn't it. And I couldn't listen to it without like creating a login. I was like, that's, you guys are jerks, man. Oh, here it is. You guys are jerks. Let's see. Supporter only. Get out of here. I liked Lullaby. Let's see. I want to say. Alone. It was one where I think the title was going with the story. Not Shimmering Footsteps in the Snow. Let me see. Because I think I resorted this thing. Oh, I know what I did. Hold on. He's mean to me. I hope you fare better. Get your... I think it was dust yourself off. You coming in here with your lies and your degrees like you know everything. Oh. Ooh, Lord. All right. So anyway, like I was saying, yeah, a couple of them I really like. One thing I did want to, I don't know if you were looking for, I don't know if you're in the headspace for criticism, because sometimes we're not always prepared to hear or accept criticism. So I won't do that unless you say you're in that space. I did enjoy, I'll give you some commendation. I thought that I really like the fact that you thought out each song, right? To be different. You clearly have a you have a an instrument that you like. And when I was starting to make music, I did the same thing because I loved strings, I loved chords, and I just love like the way that they made a song feel. Like it felt like they just added length and depth and breadth to a song. So I did enjoy that, and I did feel like you clearly knew what you were doing, because you wanted to make. It's difficult because you're not making a song necessarily. I mean, in the traditional sense of like somebody singing on it, you know, but you are making music to listen and read to. So, with that thought, you really gotta, you can't. There's a fine line you're walking, right? Because you can't do too much, can't do too little, because it's got to be able to, you know, play on a loop, but you can't do too much too. So. But there was some that stood out for sure. Domino's be texting me like we cool. Like we cool, Domino's? Like y'all, I mean, we cool? Like that? Domino's be like, yo, man, we ain't heard from you in a while. Like, how you been? Listen, if you hungry, we got an option for you. Yeah. Where you been, bruh? We got an option for you. Oh, Deja. Where Deja at? Big back activity. Why can't I see your message in the, what you got timed out? I can see your message here, but I don't see it in the. I don't see. I can see it on my screen like everybody else, but I don't see it in the chat over here. Oh, there you go. I didn't do anything. I sent the link to your Twitch Whisper about a new way to do multi-streams. A new way. For some reason, YouTube has 2 chats. What do you mean 2 chats? You've seen it elsewhere. No, she's popping up now, but her first message didn't. But my bot caught it. A new way. Who's this nerd? Sorry. Tech Grant. Teach you how to stream to multiple platforms using OBS so you can stream on Twitch, Kick, TikTok, and YouTube all at the same time without having to use Restream. Oh yeah, multiple RTMP output. Yeah. But he's using Atom also. Did you look at his stuff? He's using the GitHub, which I've seen. I've seen that. But he's also using Atom. One of the streams I go to for some reason is splits to chat. Well, they don't know what they doing. We won't do that over here. We won't do that over here. We right. So I'm gonna talk to YouTube about it. Like, get it together, chumps. Yeah. So like I was saying, we went to. Oh, did I finish my thought about the music? Yeah. I do like the. Let me try some while y'all here. We'll see. It might be a little too orangey, too bronzy, but we'll see. We'll try it for this stream, see what happens. But no, the instrumentation, the songs were thought out for sure. Instrumentation, enjoyed the selection, and I noticed that you like to use that bass, add a little bass books. So I see what you're doing over there. I see what you're doing. We'll take a look at the link. We'll watch that video today. I ain't got no problem with that. I got no problem. Oh, last thing. So we went to the Balloon Museum. That's what they call it. Never should have called it that, bro. Never should have called it that. It's like the balloon. They should just called it the balloon exhibit or something. Oh, my pleasure. Thanks for sharing. Like, why would I ask you to share and then not even, you know what I'm saying? That's rude. I'm not rude. I don't care what none of these people try to say. I'm not rude. So it has some exhibits in there. Like it basically, you know, it was a huge, what they do is they do a huge, they rent out a huge warehouse. Then they set it up like a maze, right? It's a maze and walk around and all this stuff. So, it was all right. The missus enjoyed herself, so that I guess that's all that matters. That's the coffee at work. What else happened? Oh, we did go see. We went to go see. Project Hail Mary yesterday. Now, I've never seen. So I thought that we were going to a D-Box screening, right? And it was a D-Box screening. If you know what D-Box is, it's the screening where the chairs move, right? Vibrate, move, dip, all that stuff. But this was also a Screen X screening. So Screen X is where Well, normally you have the screen right in front of you. Screen X is you got the screen in front of you, and they stretch the images out on the side walls. We had never seen that before, and I was feeling kind of bad when I was like, oh, that's what Screen X is, because we were standing in line for some popcorn, and you could see it up on the screen. It was like Screen X, a little promotion. And I was like, dang, man, like, I should have bought them tickets. I would have bought them tickets if I had known, right? But I guess I did buy them tickets. Little side note, if you buy your tickets online on the Fandangos, never pay the adult price. We went in as seniors. So either way, so it had the image stretched out on the side, which is a dope experience. It was a space flick. The colors were amazing, especially when they did it. Wow. 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 I don't really know what to say to that. Wow. Wow. We paid the money. That's on them. They it shouldn't be an option then. So anyway, yeah, it was dope. The colors, the story was really good too. The story was really good. You would think that it would be kind of, it would get a little boring. It didn't get boring. It actually flowed. I don't know how long the movie was, but it actually flowed. Got to the end. It was good. You know, good parts, emotion, story, the way he told the story. I thought it was really good. And I would say I think it's one of what's my man's name? It's one of Ryan Gosling's better films. It's gonna get him more work. Let's put it like that. But this felt like Ryan Gosling being Ryan Gosling in space a little bit. Like, I don't know him personally, but that's what it felt like. So pretty good. All right. So we got what are we doing today? I said I wasn't going to say that. I do have, I finally got some things behind the scenes stuff kind of organized it today in a sense where I'm going to add a segment where I'm just talking for about 30 minutes, but it'll be about strategy, right? But we also, of course, the big deal is that we do our projects and we get them done and then we test them. One of the things, books, if you're still in here, one of the issues, right? When we were doing we were working on Speakerbot and we were working on ChatGPT in the chat. Okay. Which is, let me highlight this. This sucker that there. All right, so let's come on over here. I'm gonna move my camera. The issue was that we could not get it. Make myself bigger too. We could not get it to show in the chat, but ChatGPT was reading it, right? That was our big issue. Why am I looking at this? Hold on. ChatGPT was reading this mess. I'm like, bro, why are you acting this way? Right? Yeah, it wasn't being nice. So what happened? When we were done streaming, I got an email from Google AI, right? And they were like, Google AI was like, hey man, you gotta finish your, it was like, you gotta finish your, why does it always disconnect like that? Why is it? That's so weird. I think I did something where I'm forcing Streamerbot to be on top, but I don't know how to change it back. I don't know how to change it back. Okay, either way. So I was looking at it. I got an email and they were like, hey, you never finished your billing process. It's like, what are you talking about? I didn't finish my billing process. Of course I did. Yeah, that's what they were trying to say. You ain't finished the well, they literally said the billing process. So I'm like, all right, so I went on ahead and finished that the other day, which literally it was nothing. it was literally a click like, hey, are you ready to go? I'm like, yeah, I guess. Sure. And so now we're going to check and see if everything is right and we did the right thing. But I got to bring up, let's see, how do we do this? Oh no, did we do it in here? Did we do it in ChatGPT? I don't recall. Did we? How are we doing? I think it was ChatGPT, right? Yeah, there it is. Yeah, crazy. It was picking up your question, but it wasn't showing the chat. I was like, that's weird. Why you being so weird? So now we got to cycle back, okay? Which is what we're going to do. We're going to cycle back to, put that over there. We're going to cycle ourselves back over to, wait a minute. Where's, I wonder if it's the, is it this? Not this that's being the problem? Maybe so. Hold on, y'all. And it shouldn't be overlaying either. Like, just being a real jerk. Don't be a jerk. Sorry. I gotta have my stuff organized, man. I can't function without it. Okay. So we got to scroll back up to the point where they told us, our original one that we knew worked, right? So we got to find that. Before we do that, I got to use the bathroom. But we definitely got to scroll to, let's see, because we were using fetch. There is no method. Yeah, the original way we did it worked. How do I add that? Can you simplify the steps for option 1 so I can follow it and match my version of Streamerbot? We just started. What you mean we just started? What? You weren't even here. What you mean we just started? I don't be listening to you. Just so you know, just Rosaline, just so you know, I don't be listening to you. Remember that. All right, let's see. Can you simplify? Yeah, see that? See, look, it was reading it. The output was there, it just wasn't outputting there. So is this the one? This might be the one. Use Streamerbot HTTP request. This is the correct way in your version. You remove the API call. Check API. Why would we want to remove the API call? Oh, I get it. Keep your C+. Replace the code with this. Add the request. Post. Sub action. Headers. Save response. Books, was this it? You didn't go beforehand. We'll call your sister. Can you give me the complete C code that I need to put in? Was this it? Only respond to AI from viewers uses cleaner structure. I think this is the one. She'd agree. What's the question about Mondays? Your question. She'd agree. Whatever. It uses the YouTube message trigger variables, reads globals, sends replies, and calls. OpenAI's responses API with instructions, input, and max output tokens. I think this is the one. Change the line if you do not have a separate bot. If you do not use one, you can leave it or replace it later. Make sure your persistent global variable is this. Persistent global variable? What in the world is that? Let's see. Did you see that? Oh, it's in the animation. It works. It's just in the anime. I didn't know. Guys, I didn't know. It's my first time. I didn't know. Okay. So how do we check that? I feel like I'm like brand new out here. Let me do this. We'll do this and then we'll go into the commands. Is it commands? I think so. I think it's voice control commands. No, settings. No. Oh, it's this one. Sorry. Found it, guys. Guys, don't worry. I found it. The question was how many Mondays are in a year? It answered, but it didn't write it to the chat. Correct. Correctamundo. All right, so we're gonna erase this. We're gonna paste this, right? And then we're just gonna check it, make sure everything is there. Right, that's right. Persisted variable, open AI API key, right? That's it. My bot channel name. What is my bot channel name? Is it CTL bot? Okay. I think this is right. Just reading through it, I think it's right. I don't remember us changing anything else, so let's save and compile. And then we're going to enable this. Oh, you know what the other issue was? The reason why I had to turn this off? When I typed in that question in the chat and it just kept, it was looping. So I think we might have fixed it with this move. Let me check the fetch. That's right. Persist the variable. Should I type open AI? Should I type that here or no? No. I'll type it here. Sorry. Bring it over here. Open AI is that? Yep, got it. All right, books, give it a try. Please. This error right here is the problem. Not available. You got to put the exclamation in front. YouTube message trigger, check AI, ESC plus, open AI, parse response, send the message. No response. What did we do wrong? What did we do wrong? What up, Posty? What's going on, brother? You here? You finished? I thought you was doing the draft. Did it work out? So this is right. What's the URL? Is the URL right? Oh, okay. Maybe the URL wasn't right. Hold on. All right. Try it again, books. Only one trade? Oh, okay. Okay. I tell you this, man. I didn't finish listening to it, but CHGO Sports was interviewing Ben and Ryan at the meetings that they're having in Arizona. I'm just excited for the season to start back up, man. How many holidays? Why is this not working now, books? What you think it is? What you think it is, books? Oh, we didn't do that. Should I do exclamation mark in front of this? Or do I even have to? I shouldn't have to, right? I don't know. When you get a chance, try it again, books. Or Miss Books. My apologies. Miss Books. They brought up the picks at the meetings, I think. Oh, you talking about the picks with the I can't even think of the name now. Yeah, the comp. Yeah. No, I'm talking about. Well, yeah, I didn't finish the interviews, but I'm excited about. They're not gonna get them picks, the compensatories. They're not gonna get them, man. Although they do have a fair argument. If they wanted to take it further, they could. I don't understand how they feel like they. How does the NFL feel like they have an argument? I don't get that. Right. This is the one we was talking about, the node. We didn't need that. Your HTTP is trying to look like this. The Streamerbot gives you full instead of just text. Tell me if, and I'll give you the parser that works without the rejects. You think I should do a new one? Books, you think I should do a new question? Because I am considering doing a new question. The language is their argument, as it says final decision maker in the team structure, and my rebuttal would be it says GM also. Correct. So they know why. Well, why wouldn't he be the final decision maker then? You know what I'm saying? Start from the beginning. Let's start a new one. Oh, let's start a new one. Willfully obtuse. Because Matt is at the top of the drawn up chain of command. You forgot connect YouTube chat to. No, I said, is there a way to connect you to my ChatGPT? I mean, you to my YouTube chat. Sorry. Use YouTube's live broadcast.list. Get your active YouTube live chat ID. Then read snippet. That live chat ID is what YouTube uses for reading and writing live chat messages. Read chat messages continuously. Run a small Python or Node script. You don't talk to it like it's a person. I mean, I'm literally. That's literally like me saying, is there a way to connect? I'm talking to books. Hey, books. Is there a way to connect books to my YouTube? Like, why would I do that? I'm already talking to it. Don't be obtuse. Hogan John's interview suggested about YouTube. It's crazy, right? That's because they know I was watching it earlier. Crazy. Option B, all inside Streamerbot. Use a C+ code sub action. In that code, call YouTube. Call OpenAI. Call YouTube again. This keeps it in one app, but it's more fragile and more annoying to debug. Given your earlier Streamerbot workflow questions, option A is the better fit. You see what they're doing, right? Your head is obtuse. Your face is oblong. How about that? Why are you doing this? This is not where we have these conversations. Why are you doing this? I'm about to watch Shawshank because of the word I know. Yeah, hush up. All right, so let me finish reading this while we're trying to figure some stuff out. This keeps it in one app, but it's more fragile. Books, talk to me. They want me to do this node thing. You was like, that's too much. Use a command pattern so the bot only replies when you want it to. Ask, why is OBS dropping frames? Your bridge script sees ask. It sends only the part after. OpenAI returns a short answer. The script posts answer back to the chat. That prevents the bot from replying to every message. Correct. I've already done that. And why is this answer so long? Where's the steps? My question would have been, please give me step-by-step instructions on how to connect ChatGPT chat to connect you with YouTube without using Stream. That's exactly what I did. Just because I didn't word it the way you worded it. You know what? This is what I'm gonna do for you. Let's do it the book's way. Let it think. I'm really excited for the season, man. Because I think Ben said he links up with Caleb in the middle of April. He gave a date in the interview, but I don't remember. But he's supposed to link up with him then. And I'm like, man, let's get back. You know what I'm saying? Let's get back at it, boys. Let's get back at it. Copy and paste is your friend. No, I like typing. Connect. Okay, open platforms, open YouTube, open accounts under broadcast account. Click sign in with Google. Approve permissions. Turn on auto connect. Why would I have to do that? What are they talking about? But why would I have to? What, you know what I'm saying? Like, why would I have to do that? I've already done that. You know? Yeah, it's already. I mean, we good to go. Under broadcast account, click sign in. I'm already signed in, big dog. Yeah, I'm already on the auto connect plan. I'm already on the auto connect plan. What else you got? Create a simple test. Open commands. Create a new command called test chat. We could do that. That ain't no problem. Link it to a simple action. What do they mean? Link it to a simple action. Like what? Playing some tunes tonight. Link it to a simple action. I don't even know what is that. What is that supposed to? Typed it wrong. Actually, I could just do it like that, right? Yeah, we'll do it like that. No, see, I'm a stickler. I'm a stickler, guys. I'm a stickler. That's what that's what I'm about to do. Oh, I gotta go to Is there a way? I guess you can't do it from there. Link that command to a simple action. But I already had this action here. Do I make it? You want me to make a new action? Do I got to do a new one? Add the sub action that sends a chat response. Where's my? So we don't have YouTube. It's send message to channel then, right? I already beat you to it, Books. I already beat you to it. And that Streamerbot commands are platform agnostic and work with YouTube, Twitch, and Trovo. So this is the easiest way to confirm your YouTube connection is working before adding AI. Testing. Testing. So the trigger is the YouTube chat message. Is that the trigger? I want to say. Do I have to add a trigger to it? The trigger is that new, yeah. See, I like how we on the same page. All right. Decide how it will talk. Because fetch URL is get only, do not use it for OpenAI or YouTube message posting. Use one of these. All in C+ inside Streamerbot. I'm not going to use the local Python or the local node. I'm going to use the C++. Why didn't they give me the instructions on how to? That's so interesting. They gave me all the other instructions. Why didn't they just stop there at step 3? Still got to use the bathroom. That stinks. All right, while this is thinking, I'm going to use the bathroom. Talk amongst yourselves. Everybody except Rose's baby. We're back. All right, let's see what it say. And for your version, the cleanest YouTube chat command is Streamerbot. C+ sub action calls open area. Sends answer back to chat. That works because Streamerbot command triggers can pass. So then, I'm running this in test right now. Here's what I'll do. Let's just run it. Let's just run it all in test then. Viewer types. How do I stop echoing OBS? Streamerbot will catch the ask. Okay. Step 1. What? Why are they doing this? Oh, here we go. But we aren't doing ask. We're doing test chat. Or should we do ask? Since test chat was just some whack stuff they came up with. We didn't even type this yet. Hold on. I'm typing ask, but it's not sending this. Ain't that supposed to work? We've done this before. Why is this acting so funny tonight? Everything is green. Triggers is right. We're on the YouTubes. Oh, it's not in session until but it should be working. Okay. You need the key. We have the key. Open platforms, YouTube accounts. Yes, did that. Open commands. Ask. Set a cooldown so chat cannot spam it. Set a cooldown, huh? Are these milliseconds? These are seconds? Do 30. All right, what else we got? I got you. Create new command. Name it something like Ask AI. Set a cool. I'll change the Ask AI part. I wonder why it's doing. There we go. Let me save it for now. We on the move. Set a cooldown so chat cannot spam it. Go to the actions, right click and choose add. Name it something like add what? Oh, the action. YouTube AI ask. Okay, so we'll rename this. Yeah, take it out of the group. No grouping for you. Okay. Streamerbot actions argument stack, which means trigger variables become available. All right, add the C plus inside that action, add sub action, core C plus. So I can remove this then since we know it works, right? Matter of fact, we'll just disable it for now. So we'll do execute. And then we will copy this. Replace, put your OpenAI key here with the real key. Okay. First. Where? It's got to be at the top. Right there. All right, let me grab this API key because I don't remember. Where'd I put my API key? this. Slide this on over here. I wonder if I did that for the last one. Oops. I don't remember doing it. I don't remember doing it. I don't remember doing it. All right. How the code gets the user's message. This code uses raw input. I did? Okay. That is the full text after the command, which is the most useful choice. Streamerbot's command trigger exposes split units. I don't care about that part. I mean, I guess maybe I should. So if a viewer types, ask, how do I improve my stream audio? Then raw input becomes, how do I improve? Yes. After pasting the code, click OK, save the action, go live on YouTube. In the chat, type this. If everything is connected correctly, it should. Okay. This wait time is killing me. Dude, we were working on it. We was working on this for a long time Thursday. We got pretty close. Then according to books, we kind of fell off the rails. Books, try it out for me, please. I mean, it should work when I type it though. Did I save the code or is it still open? No, I saved it and compiled it. Let's see. That's right. That's right. I'm wondering why we're not getting any kind of message like, you know, no kind of wrong messages or nothing. We just. Yeah, we did everything right. I don't even know if it would know how to test it. What would say the command? Fired. Nothing, right? If you want the reply to come from your bot, right? Don't need that. If it says it, you are not live. Action through an exception. Check the logs. But the cooldown was only for 30 seconds. Let's check the logs, I guess. Perform non-blocking chat alert. Handling queue. Chat alert. Time to save. Time to save. Auto saving. $55 arguments. 64 arguments. What does that mean? It's saying that when you did it, Why'd it go back up to the top? I'll show you what it says. So this is saying see this 63 arguments. But then before it was like 54 arguments. I don't know 100% what that means, but why are we getting two different numbers there? Queuing chat alert. What is this chat alert? Oh, is this? Hold on. Which it, oh, I get what it's saying. But that doesn't affect this. No reason to affect this. But maybe JSON element could not be found. Is that our issue? That's what it feels like. Let's ask. Here is the chat log I am getting. Oh, nice. Did anybody watch? Hold on. So it tells us wrong. Your YouTube trigger is working, but the C+ code is not compiling at all. Key errors are that Streamerbot's inline C+ environment on your setup does not have the assemblies for system.net and system HTTP client JSON. That means the specific C+ version I gave you cannot run in your current Streamerbot inline compiler. It is failing before it ever tries to talk. Also, your logs show Streamerbot is still receiving YouTube messages and queuing your actions, so the YouTube side is connected correctly. The failure is specifically the compile step for the inline code. What this means in plain English, the problem is not your YouTube connection, your command trigger, your action queue. The problem is your inline C+ environment cannot use the client approach I gave you. Best fix for your version, do not use this. Use this instead. Working approach, YouTube command in Streamerbot, execute program, PowerShell script, open API, send response back through Streamerbot chat. That avoids the missing C+ assemblies entirely. Why I know this is the right direction. These lines are the giveaway. Yep, I saw those too. Those are compile errors, not API errors. Use a PowerShell script called by Streamerbot. Use a Python script instead of PowerShell. What is PowerShell? What is PowerShell though? You already got it. You already got it lined up. It's a program on the Windows. Yeah, I've seen it before. I've never used it though. Why does it do this though? Like sometimes it shows me how it's thinking. YouTube command, run a PowerShell script, run a program, can execute, this fits. Okay, just tell me how to do it. Create this file on your PC. Streamerbot scripts. How do I create this file though? That's the other thing. When they be talking about create this file, I'd be like, bro, what are you talking about, dude? Is this a document? I'm assuming it's a document. Yeah, notepad. So now I have to, I created the folder. Now I got to open up Notepad. Okay. The script uses OpenAI, which is the primary interface for generating model response. Make sure PowerShell can run the file. Before using it, test the script manually. Open PowerShell and run. How do I open PowerShell? Oh, God. Here we go, right here. Found it. Okay, so I needed to run this. Copy. Oh, dang. Is this supposed to say something? You should get a one-line answer back in the console. I don't know if I... Oh, I see. Hold on. Yeah, I got you. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. I see what happened. I see what happened. I hit an API error just now. Why is it saying that? I can't see what they are calling the file, but make sure to save as that name with the extension. Yeah, select file type as all. Oh, maybe that was probably an issue. Let's see. Oh, save it. Gotcha. I wonder why I'm saying I hit an API error. Maybe I'm not. PowerShell execution policy bypass the file. Streamerbot scripts ask OpenAI PS1. I typed it right. That's so interesting. And why is it saying it hit an API error? You need all of, I need this whole thing. I hit an API. Keep saying that. Say hello to my chat. What is this? Install the latest. We don't need that right now. Yeah, I just copy the whole line and then put it in PowerShell. I did. I literally did. Look. I copied the whole thing, put it in PowerShell. And when I hit return, I hit an API error just now. No way my API key is wrong. That doesn't make sense. I literally just copied that stuff. That makes 0 sense. Unless I just didn't post the API key. No, it didn't even ask for it here. Wait a minute, I'm looking at the right thing. Let me go back up. Paste that script in there. Oh, that would explain it. Give me 1 second. It's not my fault. For people that's watching this vibe back, listen, it's not my fault. We're learning together, guys. We're learning together. Okay. It's these little things that they don't say. Coffee won't help me with you. That's hurtful. At least I'm over here like figuring it out and not like pulling my hair out like, oh my God, I don't get it. Why is this not working? All right. Yeah. All right, now we save. All right, so we got that. All right, so that's right. So now we try it again. Do that. It says I hit an API, but I don't think I typed this whole thing in, man. Seriously, I think I typed this in. Learning together, bruh. Like, I'm about to show y'all. So I gotta remove that. Keep saying I hit an API error. So I fixed the thing and it's still saying I did it long form, I did it short. $11 parts to this thing. That message is okay. Catch it. All right, so let's use the debug one then. Let's use the debug one. Okay. So we will do this. Copy. We'll do a new one. Do that there. Go here. Thank you. Thank you so much. Over here in the background, making it happen. Paste it. Saved. Test it outside. If this still fails, then we'll know the reason. How is that possible? Incorrect API key provided. You can find your API keys at what? No. Oh, in the quotations? No, I don't add extra quotations. But it's got to read between the quotations. I'll show you what this is saying. It's saying it's the incorrect key provided, which that doesn't make any sense at all. Why would this be incorrect? We did all the work. Just it without the. We could do that. I mean, but why that? Like, I don't. All right, we'll try it. No problemo. Okay. So we'll do this. Says not recognized. So I need the quotes. It took a minute. It was like, and then it's red too. It's like, What you think you doing, sir? And I just be like, yo, Books told me to do it. Like, don't get mad at me. Books said do it. Yeah, it says not found. Invalid. 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 I'll try one more time. You can find your API key at platform.openai.com. Okay, let's try it then. Let's go there. Let's go there. Platform. Oh, I don't even got to do. No, don't do that. Do this. You know what? Fine. We'll do it like this. Platform. Oh, this is totally different. Where's my key though? My API key. How do I copy the key? That don't even make sense. Basically, what they trying to tell me, I was using the wrong key. Sleeping pills kicking in. It's that rough out there, huh? You know what the cool thing is though? When I made this key, I was a sharp one. So when I made the key, actually, I pasted it someplace else in a secret location. Clearly not this location. Let's see. Oh, got it, guys. Okay. Here we go. All right. So they're trying to tell me I'm using the wrong key. Okay. Let's see if you like this. Notepad. And why do I have two different keys, man? I got to look into that. Okay. Copy. Get a little nervous. I was using the wrong key the whole time. Hello, everyone. Hope you're having an amazing day. We got it. We did it, Books. We did it. We did it, Joe. Okay. Okay. That's because you don't need it. It won't help you because you don't need it. PowerShell. All of this is right. No, I'm not removing no steps. We're going back to this step because we know it worked, right? Then they always talking about add a tiny, just add a tiny bit of code. Just add a tiny bit of code. Like, bro, I'm not adding no code, bro. All right, so we copy this. I'm gonna minimize the PowerShell for now. So we go up in here, were we running a test? I think I already did this part. Oh no, this is for the PowerShell thing. Hold on, I'm in the wrong area. Create the script. We did that. Make sure it runs. Create the action. Okay, so now we back over here. We did the ask. We created the action. The trigger. core system run program. So, okay, so we're not using this then, right? Core system run a program. Add inside the same action, add a sub action. Choose, oh, sorry, said it like this. PowerShell.exe. Argument is the working directory. Is that what they're saying? The target. Guess we're gonna figure it out together, guys. Because I have no idea. I have no idea. I think I think that's it. Oh, this is the working directory. Oh yeah, we got it right. But they put it in a different order. Being goofy. Add the tiny C+ sub action that sends the results to YouTube. Well, they love this. Just listen, just add just a pinch. Just add a dash of code. Just a dash. I get excited, I start raising my voice. So don't be alarmed. Paste. We're gonna, oh wait. Make sure it's all right. Yeah, I think that's right. Save and compile. You retired in 2025. Oh, congratulations. I'm so happy I don't have to talk to clients anymore. But you're giving me PTSD. You know what, Books, when you come in here and when you say things like that, it really it really draws me to you. You know, when you say things like that, it really makes me feel closer to you. Meaning I can't stand you. This you're not sorry. This works because C++ did, so we no longer need that. Okay, I think we did that. Go live on YouTube and then click that. So they're saying I enable this and this thing should work. I'm nervous. Books, I'm nervous. Give it a try, Books. The least you could do. The least you can do. Give it a try one time for the people. How to ease anxiety, huh? Okay. Streamerbot catches the command. PowerShell sends the prompt to OpenAI. PowerShell prints the answer. Streamerbot captures that as output. The C+ posted it. Do not use YouTube. Send message to channel. If you want dynamic text from the script, the doc says the field is currently plain text only. No variable support. If this does not work, test in this order. This should work. Then in Streamerbot temporarily place C+ code with this to confirm that the output is working. Bruh. This should work. You did ask. Let me try. Okay, so the message worked. This part worked. We saved. Did we? Yeah, we saved it. We'll close that. We don't need it open. Let's test it out then. First, test the script by itself. Okay, so we'll go back into PowerShell where it said add this code. Tell it to give you the full code. You don't think that's the full code? Look at this. It's coming up in PowerShell. But it's just not posting to the thing. Well, let's try to make it output then. Maybe I got the order wrong too. Let's try this. Books, you so smart sometimes. Save it. Do I have to do save and compile? Or is save and okay good enough? I don't know. Save and compile, gotcha. No cancel. Cancel. Copy that. Yeah, okay. Gives me the answer. So that works. Okay, so then they want me to test this again. ChatGPT could be kind of all over the place, you know? And I don't know if this is even a question. Say hello to my YouTube chat in one sentence. Weirdo. If you get please type a question, then Ryan put his blank because you type only. If you get your open API key is wrong, no, it's not wrong. If nothing posts to your chat, your YouTube account connection inside Streamerbot is the next thing to check. Streamerbot suggests a broadcaster account and an optional bot account for sending chat messages. We did it right. Can you give me the full C+ code? Give me the full C code. Every other step is except posting the answer to YouTube chat. See, I like to give the computer context because I like context in life. Okay. You know, when you're going through things in life, sometimes you need context. They love to test too. Okay. So we'll change 1 and 0, don't understand context. It's a computer. I don't believe that. Skynet. That's all I got to say. Skynet. Okay? Remember that. So the PowerShell. So the run a program PowerShell. So we did this right? Yeah. That. That should be right. And then that's right. 1s and 0s. How dare you? Listen, ChatGPT. That wasn't me talking. That wasn't me. You send YouTube message to latest monitored here because why they always want to tell me why? Your action order should be trigger, run the program, execute the code. So do I run a test or do I type? I'm gonna test. I just did it. And you know what happened when I ran the test? It brought up a new PowerShell. That was interesting. Although my same PowerShell is here. What do you mean, please listen? I'm literally reading it. I can't, books, I'm not doing this with you. I am not doing this with you. You didn't paste in the execute code? Yes, I did. You didn't see me. It's right here. Yeah, this one that they gave us right here, I copied it and pasted it. Let me double check though. Listen, nothing wrong with a little double check. I'm pretty sure. Beep, 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 beep. So the trigger's up. Let's do it. Let's paste your code into ChatGPT and say PowerShell is working, but not this code. The C+ code? This one? PowerShell is working, but not this code. Okay, I just did. I did look at this. I did look at that. Then replace your current C+ with this more reliable. This be here in a minute. At least they're supposed to be. There's no API. That's what I'm saying. There's no API key request in this part, in the execute T+. The API is in my, the API key is in my the notepad stuff. So that's right. I haven't changed that. That method is valid in Streamerbot and is documented as sending a message. So now we do ask hello. If that still does not post, run these two tests in order. Maybe, you know what it is though? It does take a minute to get this answer. Let me do this. I'm gonna try it. Excuse me, I'm gonna try this. So the test worked. That's so interesting. The test worked. Isn't that it? How? No. How? How is that possible? We ran the program, executed it, and then I clicked test and it showed up in the chat. But it's under a different person's name, so we know that's the test. But if I type it, this mess ain't going. But anybody can do it. Books, talk to me. What is it? Crazy how I'm not getting any requests off of it either. You know what I'm saying? Like when I'm looking on, there go my boys right there. When I'm looking on here, I'm not getting any requests. No responses, no nothing. Hold on one second. Yeah. Take a screenshot and paste in the ChatGPT. Tell it it works with the test trigger, but not when someone asks in the chat. Is our command? Okay, I'll do that. Yeah, anybody can ask, so that's right. It's not that. YouTube AI ask. Run PowerShell and then run that. I mean, I set it to 6 seconds. It should be target is PowerShell. That's right. Should I close PowerShell over here? I'm gonna close it. It ain't going nowhere. Take a screenshot and paste in the ChatGPT. What do you want me to take a screenshot of? Screenshot of your Streamerbot. Tell it it works with the test trigger, but not when someone of the code. Is that what you want me to do? No output return from PowerShell. Check or run a program. Try send it to the active. I got about 5 more minutes. I'm over time. Sent YouTube message. Failed to send YouTube message. Is that? Oh, so that would be in a log. See, I'm getting better at reading this stuff. So the way that they set this up. In the log, it should say that. Let's check the log real quick. Check the log. All right. Pew. Update presence. YouTube, Twitch, YouTube, Twitch, YouTube, Twitch. Of the open screen and Streamerbot, I think it's window key and print screen. I hear you, but what you want me to? Of the open screen? Check out the log. So the log says, kept checking, right? Went through my triggers, chat alert. It's almost like it's not even, like it's not running. And it's auto saving. Look at that, initiated with 88 arguments. Perform non-blocking chat alert. Which is so interesting that it says that perform non-blocking chat alert. Print and window key. All right. But don't I have to have the, because I'm on 2 monitors, but all right, we'll try it. It took a screenshot of all of my stuff. I gotta check this one out, yo. Let me check this one out. That's gotta be huge. Let's see. I might have to put this on hold, man. Screenshot. Where is it? My screenshot should go here. Well, where's the? It's here. It's a huge. Oh, there it is. Huge picture. You want me to just, what do you want me to say with the screenshot of the open screen? Take a screenshot and paste in the ChatGPT. Tell it works with the test trigger. This works with a test trigger. Not when someone asks. When you print screen, you just need to Control V. Got you. The command is not actually firing on YouTube. Command is firing, but raw input is blank. The action linked is not the same action you tested. The command has a permission, cooldown, platform setting. Streamerbot commands are platform agnostic. Duh. Prove the command is firing at all in the same action that your command should run. Temporarily replace your C+ with this. In the same action. Okay. Debug. All right, give me a second. Then type is I'm taking a cooldown off for now. The command text is exactly that. The command text? Yeah. The command is enabled. YouTube is allowed. User permissions are not excluding normal chatters. Cooldown is not blocking repeat tests. Streamerbot's command system supports YouTube, but command parsing, cooldowns, and permissions are all configured. Make sure the action tied to command is the same when you are testing. Your screenshot shows you can run the action with the test trigger, but that does not prove the YouTube command. And the action open triggers. Yeah, it's tied to it. Go back to the command and turn off internal message. Yeah, I was looking at that too. What about ignore bot account? It shouldn't ignore the bot account either. I mean, a bot account will never. Turn it all off. Turn it all off. Actions only run from the event sources actually attached to them. After typing that, go to actions and action queues, action history. Click that execution, inspect the variables. Action queues. Oh. Action history. It's reading this chat alert, not YouTube AI ask. Why is that? That's not right. You see what it's doing? It's using this. That's not what this is. All right, let me try one more time. Just that is weird. It's crazy that it's doing that. Yeah, I got you. I got you. YouTube is running on the default queue. Your actual YouTube chat message are running chat alert. So when someone types in YouTube chat, Streamerbot is fine chat alert. Yeah, that means your ask chat command is not attached to the AI action you tested. Right now you have two separate things, chat alert and YouTube AI ask. So the manual test succeeds because you are testing that directly, but chat, they're going to chat alert. Fix this exactly. Attach this command trigger to YouTube AI ask. Go to actions. Go to this. Open the triggers tab. Open the triggers tab. Core command again. So I'm doing it twice. Like, why would I? You know what? We'll do it like this. Select your command, save, then test. That's weird. I've never seen that before. Chat disconnected. Wait while we try to reconnect you, then successfully connected. That was strange. After that, you should see appear again. History. It's not appearing. Why does it keep showing chat alert? And it's in this group. This is so interesting. Because it shouldn't be doing this. Now it's not picking up in the history. And I don't have this in a group. No group queue is defaulted. No books. We got 7 minutes. After that, I gotta slide out. Everything else is working. This should be working now. So many little steps to this, though. This is command is right. If chat alert is using a raw YouTube message trigger, it will fire for every message. If it's using a raw YouTube message trigger, is this considered a raw YouTube? Yeah, it is. But I would have to specifically, oh, it's saying their first message. Must have its own command trigger. Verify the command itself is enabled. Allow you to go to command, check ask, yes. Not restricted to mods, yes. Cooldown not blocking you, yes. Temporarily put this inside the YouTube AI ask command. In the command? Oh no, I'm sorry. That's crazy how I'm not getting any. I'm not getting any action from, and I was getting it at back here, but now nothing. How? How's that even possible? Does this no? Does this need a variable though? I don't think so. The trigger should be a YouTube message. What do you mean? This right here? You mean like that? Oh God, here we go. Why would it? Why would it? Oh, that's so annoying. Well, at least we know that works. Because if I enable this, right? But it's looping. It's working, but it's looping. Bro, cut it out. Oh my God. I don't think it should be command. I mean, I don't think it should be a chat message. It should read chat. Go back to this other one. But it looks like I'm gonna have to do this later. Because it is fine. Let me see. We'll do one last one. Once a week till November. Well, you've been working. I'm like, you've been real big. You've been in the lab, as the kids say. I can't believe we didn't get this. This is day 2. I cannot believe we didn't get this. I'm frustrated. I might have to look into this after the stream. Hate that. All right, I got to get out of here. I appreciate your books, Posty, Candesia, Rose's baby. Thank you for coming through. So we're gonna get out of here. I'm gonna see you guys on Thursday, back on the tubes. we're gonna dive back into this. We got to figure this out. We're close. I know we're close. This is easier than they're making it, and it's just now that we did the PowerShell, this thing should be working, no problem. So we'll figure it out. Books, I'll be on the lookout. All right. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all. See you on Thursday, man.